Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Leo and today I am going to be showing you how to start investing. In today's videos, I'm going to do my best to simplify it as much as possible. So basically, I'm going to be showing you the very core fundamentals, which are how to open up a brokerage account, what you should invest into, as well as how to have an actual plan when you're getting started on how to invest, because chances are you do not know any of these. So let's dive straight into it. You need to open up a brokerage account. There are many different brokerages out there that you can go with, such as these. Personally, I recommend TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, or E-Trade. You could do Robinhood because of its convenience on your phone. I don't like it as much because it's very unreliable at times, and I know a lot of glitches happen on their platform. You could also go with Webull. It's a very new, up and coming. Personally, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on TD Ameritrade because it's the one I like the most, and it's the one I've been using for about 2 or 3 years now, and I really like this platform. So, to actually start investing, you need to open up your brokerage account. What you're going to do is very simple. Go to tdameritrade.com, click open a new account, and it's going to take you to this page right here. And there's various different accounts you can open. You can open up a Roth IRA or an IRA in general. Typically, these are going to be for your retirement accounts. That's what they are. So really, don't worry about them too much unless you are planning on investing for retirement. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to focus on an individual account. So what you want to do is click on individual, click open an account. What this is basically, think of it as a bank application, like you're applying for a bank account. So it's going to ask you a bunch of personal questions. You're going to need your social. So just fill this out, and then you should end up in a page that looks like this. I tried doing this video before, that's why you see the snap ticket. Ignore that. So you're going to get to a page that looks like this. You won't have any of these. You'll really just have your account name. I don't know about this just because you don't know. I'm teaching you how to invest. So anyways, so to actually buy the stocks, you can use this snap ticket right here, which you would just click up on that, and it'll take you to something that looks very similar to this. And what you're gonna do is, depending on the stock you want to buy, look up that stock's ticker symbol. So really, you can just type in the company's name. Sorry, I typed up the ticker. So you can just type up Apple, put stock after it, and this right here is the ticker symbol, AAPL for Apple. You can do this with any stock. So sorry about that. You can do this with any stock. Once you do that, you type it into here and click quote, and it'll give you a quote of what the current stock is. So you'll see here the bid, that's what someone's willing to pay for it right now, and the ask, that's what someone's currently selling for. So if you wanted to buy Apple right now, you would have to pay $118 for a share of Apple. To do this, you would put 1, so you would put the quantity, the number that you want here, and you can put the price. If you do a limit order, you can do the price that you want to pay. So you can do like 116, and whenever the price drops to 116, you will buy it. However, if you don't care about that, you can simply just do a market order, and that means whatever the current price of Apple is right now, you are going to buy it. So those are kind of the two order types you're really going to use. So that's what those are. Don't worry about the other ones. That's just going to mess up with your head, especially in the very beginning. You would click review order, and then you'll get something like this, and you would simply click place order. Something else that you could do, and this I really recommend. I don't recommend investing like this. I recommend going and downloading the Thinkorswim app on your phone or the Thinkorswim trading platform on your desktop. Thinkorswim is TD's trading platform. So it's TD Ameritrade's computer platform that lets you actually see the charts and see everything. This is what it's going to look like when you first open it. This right here. So you're going to be able to, if you click trade, you'll get to see all of this. If you click chart, it'll bring you to a chart of a stock. So really, here again, we can type in Apple, and it'll give you the chart of Apple. I've been doing some analysis on it, but this is the Apple chart for the last 180 days, or the last days. So you can do 180 days and see Apple the last 180 days. Basically, I'm getting ahead of myself. You don't have to worry about this. Just, I recommend downloading this and using this as a platform. So, lastly, we need to focus on how to actually invest. So what you want to do is you want to start a budget. You want to get a monthly budget of, let's say, around $200. Doesn't have to be $200. I'm just ballparking here. Really, just pick a figure you're comfortable with investing every month and stick to it every single year. Obviously, you can increase this as you have more money over time, but pick a number that you want to invest every month, and you do not see that money. You instantly take that money as soon as you get it and put it in your brokerage account. And if you don't know how to do that, it's very, very simple. You go to my account, you click on what's it called? You click on deposit and transfers, and then you'll see something like this. This is where you can connect your bank account. So you click account bank connection and you click connect now. And you'll be guided to connecting your bank account onto your broker's account so you can deposit money freely. Anyways, the steps to actually buying and investing, and this is just a very, very beginner plan. Allocate a monthly budget. So let's say about $200 every month to buying stocks. Buy shares into various companies you feel comfortable with. So I recommend blue chip stock companies. Don't come out here buying Nikola. Tesla, probably you don't want to invest into it as a beginner, solely off the fact that Tesla fluctuates a lot. So Tesla might be 400 today, it might be 200 tomorrow, it might be 300. Tesla price moves like crazy. So if you're not comfortable with that risk, and you most likely aren't as a beginner, I recommend to going into more stable companies that don't fluctuate as much as Tesla in their price, such as Apple, Intel, AT&T. Diversify into other fields as well. I just named all tech companies, but think about doing real estate, possibly going into the food, going into the commerce business, such as like Amazon and Walmart. So I'd recommend picking about 5 companies you feel very, very comfortable with and buy shares of those companies every month. Now, the key is you do not have to buy all $200 worth of those companies. You want to sit on a little bit of cash every month. Now, let's say you want to buy 1 share of AT&T, 1 share, of Apple, or whatever it is, and you have a little bit of cash left over. Sit on that cash. Solely because if the price drops out of nowhere, you can buy more. So yeah, so once you have that budget and just stick to it every single month and be very consistent. The key to investing is consistency. Do not try to like YOLO every play. You won't. But if you can sit on a little bit of cash, consistently invest, you'll see your money grow. And you can also eventually, once you feel comfortable enough with investing, grow out of it and start buying into these riskier companies. But this is basically how you start investing. I hope this video helps. I try to keep it very, very simplistic and very easy to understand. If it did help and you want to see more content like this, I'll be coming out with more videos. So click subscribe or click that like button. It really does help. I hope it really is helpful. I hope you have great success in your investing, and I hope you have a great day.